Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to my channel, ChriskaYoga. Today we'll be doing a cozy Hatha yoga sequence. It's a great sequence to do when it's cold outside and you're feeling like your muscles are cramping and tight and stiff. It's a really great sequence to do for a cozy day indoors, so I hope that you enjoy it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post yoga videos every single week and it's completely free to subscribe. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Begin by sitting on the ground. Cross your shins. Flex your feet under your knees. Bring your hands to your legs. Sit up tall. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a deep breath out. Come to focusing on your inhales and your exhales. Remain here as you breathe, noticing the pattern of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. From here, slowly open your eyes, and on an inhale, raise your arms up, looking up. Exhale, tilt your upper body over to the left, bringing your left hand to the ground, your right arm up and over on the diagonal, looking up. Remain even on both sits bones on the ground and stretch the right side of your upper body. Remain over to the side and turn your torso to face the ground, reaching your arms out in front of you on the diagonal, looking down for a twist here. Breathe and fold over. Stay in your forward fold and walk both of your hands to reach out in front of you to the center, coming to a forward fold in your Sukhasana, easy pose, stretching your low back, your hamstrings and glutes. Breathe here. From here, walk your hands over to the right, keeping both of your hands on the ground, bringing yourself into a twist. Keep both sits bones even on the ground and hold here. From here, keep your right hand on the ground and lift your left arm up and over on the diagonal, keeping both sits bones even on the ground once again, stretching the left side of your upper body here in a tilt. Slowly bring yourself back upright to a seated position, and on an inhale, raise your arms up, looking up, palms facing each other, and on an exhale, bring your hands down by your sides. From there, bring your arms behind you and look up, coming to an arch, opening your chest and your heart center up towards the ceiling. Slowly from here, release your hands from the arch and we'll come to shoulder rolls backwards. So rolling your shoulders forward, up, and back together at the same time, slow and smooth movements. And then from there, roll your shoulders in the opposite direction, about 8 to 10 times, back, up, and forward, relaxing the muscles around your shoulders. Once your shoulder rolls are complete, drop your chin to your chest and begin to rotate your head around in a circle to the right, bringing your right ear to your right shoulder, bringing your head back, looking up, left ear to left shoulder, and then chin to the chest, completing the circle. Rotating your head around continuously, slow and smooth movements, keeping the rest of your body nice and stable, about 8 to 10 rotations here. From here, drop your chin to your chest and begin to rotate your head around in the opposite direction, keeping the rest of your body stable, about 8 to 10 rotations. Slowly come to stillness, dropping the chin to the chest and then lifting your head up. From here, stretch your legs out in front of you, sitting up tall, and we'll bend the right leg, bringing the bottom of the right foot to the ground, and then cross it over the left. You can keep the left leg straight or bend it in as I'm doing here. Once you're settled, wrap your left arm around your right leg, bring your right arm behind you. On an inhale, sit up tall. On an exhale, twist your upper body around to the right. Remain here in your twist. With each inhale, lengthen the spine, and with each exhale, twist a little bit deeper than before, and breathe here. Slowly unwind from your twist, coming back to the center, uncross your legs and switch sides, bending the left leg and crossing it over the right. Keep the right leg straight or bend it in, bringing the heel in towards the glute. Once you're settled, wrap your right arm around your left leg, left arm behind you, inhale, lengthen the spine, exhale, twist the upper body around to the left. Remaining in your twist and breathing deeply. With each inhale, lengthen the spine. With each exhale, twist a little further and remain here. Slowly unwind from your twist, coming back to the center, uncross your legs, and from here, we'll bring our knees out to the side and feet to meet each other at the center line of your body, holding on to your feet with your hands. On an inhale, lengthen your spine. On an exhale, come to a forward fold, holding onto your feet, folding forward, breathing here, and relax in your bound angle pose. Slowly come up out of your forward fold and bring your knees in towards each other. Come onto your hands and your knees. Come into a child's pose. Touch your big toes together behind you. Separate your knees apart. Sit your hips onto your heels. Bring your forehead to the floor, arms out in front of you. Relax here, sitting your hips down towards your heels, draping the torso over the thighs, and hold. Remain in your child's pose and lift your head up slightly. Thread your left arm underneath your right and bring the left temple to the ground, coming to a twist in your child's pose. Hold your twist here, keeping your right arm stretched out in front of you, and breathe. Lift your head up and twist in the opposite direction, threading the right arm underneath the left, the right temple to the ground. Keep the rest of your body even, and hold here in your twist. Slowly unwind from your twist, come up to a seated position, and make your way to lying on your back. Hug your knees in towards your chest, flexing your feet, hold onto your shins. And if you'd like, you can rock from side to side, gently massaging your low back on the ground. If that does not feel comfortable to you, just remain still, hugging the knees in. Slowly come to stillness. Take both of your legs and drop them over to the left side of your body, keeping your left hand on your legs. Reach your right arm out to the side, either keep it straight or bent in a cactus shape, looking over to the right with your head, and remain here in your twist. Bring your legs and your head back to the center and switch sides, dropping both of your legs over to the right, reaching your left arm out and looking over to the left. Keep the right hand on the knees to help keep the legs over to the side and hold here. Slowly bring the legs back to the center and once more hug the knees in towards the chest, holding onto the shins, flexing the feet, and hold. And from here, we'll straighten the legs out and make our way into Shavasana. Relax the legs, separate them, completely relax the legs and the arms. Place your hands down by your sides, turn the palms up towards the ceiling, close your eyes, and come back to your breathing. Breathing deeply in and out through your nose. Come back to the breath, focusing on the inhales and the exhales. If another thought comes into your mind as you're focusing on your breathing here, gently set it to the side and come back to the breath. And remain here and relax. Bring some gentle motion back into your limbs, your hands and your feet, your arms and your legs. And when you're ready, bend both of your legs and gently roll yourself over to the side, resting there with your knees bent and your arm under your head. Gently press yourself up to a seated position. Cross your shins, flex your feet under your knees once again, sit up tall, bring your hands to your legs, close your eyes, breathing deeply through your nose, and bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest, bow your head to your fingertips, Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, the like button down below. Your engagement with the like button, the subscribe button, all of those things, commenting below really helps the channel to grow and succeed. So if you do like these videos, please take 2 seconds and hit the like button. Also, I would really appreciate if you left me a comment down below, letting me know what you thought of this class, how you felt after you did it, any future class requests you would like me to do here on this channel. I always love to hear from you. I always reply. Also, once again, if you aren't subscribed yet to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below the video. 90% of people who watch these videos, that's right, 90% of people who watch my yoga videos are not subscribed. It would really help the channel if you were subscribed. If you do enjoy my yoga classes, I work really hard to bring you these yoga classes for free every week, so if you wouldn't mind, it's completely free to subscribe, no risk to you. So I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button down below the video as well. For even more yoga resources from me, check out my website, ChriskaYoga.com, and follow me over on Instagram at ChriskaYoga for motivation, inspiration, behind the scenes, more yoga from me. All the links to everything that I mentioned and more are listed in the description box below. Thank you so much. See you next time.